Hey, have you ever thought that there is a material that, like a superhero's cape, silently guards many places from being invaded by water? That is the geomembrane. Do you want to know how the super geomembrane is made? Come with me quickly. Look, the first step of production is feeding. Piles of high-density polyethylene pellets, like little soldiers waiting to go to war, enter the feeding system neatly. When they enter the production machine, it is like entering a super energy chamber. Inside, the big hands of high temperature and high pressure energy hold them tightly, making these pellets slowly melt and merge into one. Then, the melted material is squeezed out from the magic exit of the die head and turns into the appearance of a continuous geomembrane, just like the prototype of a superhero's cape appears. Finally, the geomembrane comes to the stretching area. After stretching, it becomes more tenacious, like a superhero after training, and can better protect the places that need it.